eggless chocolate cake with dry fruits. So the ingredients which I have are maida or all-purpose flour, 2 cups, raisins yellow and black, dry fruits, instant coffee, baking powder, baking soda, 1 cup of milk, vanilla essence, tutti frutti, oil, cocoa powder and 1 cup of sugar. So let's get started. So here I have greased a cake tin with oil and placed a butter paper. And on the other side we have our preheated karai with some salt. So this is the setup. Preheat it for 10 minutes. I've taken milk, oil and 1 cup of sugar. I've taken 1/4 cup of oil. Now we will grind them, or you can take a mixing jar. So look, all the wet ingredients, all the 3 ingredients are mixed well. Blend them for 5 to 6 minutes. We'll keep it aside. Now for the dry ingredients, I have taken here all-purpose flour. So now we'll take 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a big bowl. And 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now we will take 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of soda. Mix the dry ingredients well. After that, we will sieve them. All the dry ingredients are mixed well. Cocoa powder, instant coffee and maida, baking soda and baking powder all are combined well. Now we will sieve them. Make sure that there are no lumps or now slowly add the wet mixture we prepared earlier. We'll make a paste, a batter out of it. Make sure that there are no lumps. Now look at here, there are still some lumps left, so we'll beat it for 2 minutes more, and now we will not add more liquid batter. Okay, consistency is perfect. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Again beat it for 1 minute. Now look, the batter is perfect with a nice consistency. A little bit of milk is left over here, which we will not add more. Now we will add into it. It's upon you how much you add. Now some almonds and chopped cashew nuts. And tutti frutti. तूने ऑन नहीं किया था? Cut and fold method. Make sure you won't overmix. Now put the batter into the mold. Now we have transferred the batter into the mold. Now we'll tap it a little so that the air bubbles come out of it. And on the top we will spread some tutti frutti dry fruits. So we have done it. Now we will bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes. In our preheated karai, place a stand on it. Now place the mold. Now cover it with a plate or a lid. Bake it on medium flame for 35 to 40 minutes. So 40 minutes are done. Let's check whether our cake is made perfect. The toothpick is clear and it indicates that our cake is baked completely. Let it cool down and then we will demold it. Now I have demolded the cake and let's remove the butter paper. We'll have a look how beautiful the cake is made. Let's cut it. So look how spongy the cake is made. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try and enjoy. If you like the eggless chocolate cake recipe with dry fruits, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.